In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Sheets file to Power BI. This process is incredibly useful for those who frequently update their data in Google Sheets and want to harness the power of Power BI for more advanced analysis and visualization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Google Sheets data with Power BI, ensuring that your reports stay current with the latest information. Let's start by opening the Google Sheet that you wish to connect. Once you have your Google Sheet open, navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to go to Share and then select Publish to the Web. This option allows you to create a dynamic link to your Google Sheet that Power BI can use to pull data from. A new window will open, and here you have the choice to publish the entire document or just a specific sheet. If your dataset is contained within a single tab, you might prefer to select that particular sheet to avoid sharing more than necessary. However, if your full dataset spans multiple sheets, selecting the entire document might better suit your needs. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click the Publish button. A cautionary dialog might pop up informing you that publishing will make your document visible to anyone with the link. If you're comfortable with this and your data doesn't contain sensitive information, confirm the action. A link will be generated in the provided text box. Copy this published link as we'll need it shortly. Now let's switch over to Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, you might initially find the interface a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. On the Welcome screen or the Home tab, you'll see an option labeled Get Data. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From here, you'll want to select Web. This is the method we'll use to connect to our Google Sheet. When prompted, paste the link that you previously copied from your Google Sheets document. By doing this, Power BI will use the link to access the data in your Google Sheet. Once the connection is established, Power BI will pull the data directly from your linked Google Sheet. This setup is indeed beneficial if your data in Sheets is updated frequently, as Power BI has the capability to refresh the dataset. This means any changes you make in your Google Sheets can automatically reflect in your Power BI reports, giving you an up-to-date analysis every time. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Google Sheets file to Power BI. Now you can take full advantage of Power BI's powerful tools to analyze and visualize your data, ensuring it's always current and ready for whatever insights you need to extract. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.